Hi, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and access your messaging templates. This will be really great if you have ongoing messages that happen weekly or monthly. Some of the information may stay the same, and you only want to edit a few points. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are using the classic UI, you'll want to go to the new UI to create or to find your templates. From the new UI, we're going to simply start with composing. This is how you will create and access your template. So if you already have a template, you'll be able to select it. And if you want to create one from a brand new message, this is how we're going to do that. So select compose. And let's do a Thursday special. And who do I want to send this to? For our purposes, it's just going to be me. And then here's where we begin. So we can start from scratch or we can start with a template. I'm going to go and start with a template just to show you where they are held. So if you already have a template, you can create a category and put those templates in that category. So for instance, if you have webinars, or you have, if you're in food and beverage or retail and you have specials that you send out on a consistent basis, and then under those categories, you may have very specific messages that you want to send. So let's go ahead and go back and create one of these, and let me show you how that is done. So we're going to exit out, and we're going to start again, and we're going to start from scratch. So you would start just the same way as you would with any message. And I'm going to say Thursday special. You may have dinner covered, but what about dessert? Stop by and grab a fabulous, I could spell dessert at wrap up. And then I want to insert maybe a picture that goes along with this. So let's go ahead and find a picture. I happen to have one for Thursday specials. This is going to be a multimedia MMS message, so it will cost me a little bit more, but I do love pictures. So there you can see I have our Thursday specials. I have pictures of my desserts. I have my very targeted message. I'm going to go ahead and save this now as a template. And my template name is going to be, let's say, dessert specials. Specials. If you want a description, it's not necessary. And I'm going to either create a new category or go ahead and put it in one that I already have and save. So this template is now saved. I can save and close this. If I want to go ahead and continue with my message and send it out for now, let's go ahead and do that. It, of course, tells me how many credits I am using for this particular send. Fabulous. So now I have created that template. Let's say it's a few weeks later. I want to go ahead and access that template. I'm simply going to compose again. I'm going to say this is my July 28th special. I'm going to define who I'm going to send it to, what time, what day, if that is different from a send now. And now I can go ahead and start with the template. And I can find my, let's say, dessert specials. I'm going to choose that particular template, and it automatically comes up. You can see it has my image and it has my my Thursday special. So if I wanted to change this, let's say I'm going to say buy one, get one free. I can go ahead and save and close. and I've modified my message just a little bit. I could have added a new picture, and I'm going to go ahead and send. And another great way to utilize this is if you have trainings once a week. So I'm going to show you just a quick example of that. Let's go ahead and look at our Tuesday training. You can see here that I did join us for training and inspiration on this Tuesday for our weekly In the Know webinar. And I have a host named, so I might want to choose this particular template and go ahead and edit whoever the speaker is or important information for that particular day. So really easy to access your templates. You just always want to go to your messages. You want to select compose, define what that message is today, who you are sending it to, and then where and when, just like you would with any message. I want to go ahead and choose that particular message. As you can see, this is the one we talked about earlier that has the information for our weekly webinar series, and I can change it is Stephen Saul. He's going to be speaking this week, and any other information that I need to change. Very easy. You have your template, you're editing, and then you can send. If you have any questions, please contact us as always at support@iZigg.com, and one of our trained specialists will be happy to help you. Thank you so much.